Okay, so here's your sterling. So you just pull down the back, the piece that you're trying to remove. Get down to that guy right there. See that hinge that goes up to there? Get that off first. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but basically you wanna just carefully pry them off and go do it on the other side. Turn the video, zoom out a little. All right, so he's off both sides. So now what you want to do is if you look down in there, now this is on a post. See it there? Zoom in. So now what's left is you're on that post. So you're gonna have to bend one side out to get it off the post. I use pliers, whatever works for you, screwdriver. Bend back later. So see them there? Now you're going to be able to slide them right out. The bell works. So once you bend one side, you can bend that back later. So you want to leave it like that even after you paint it. So when you get it back in place, you can just bend it back where it goes. But once you bend this side and get it off, then you can just slide it off the other side. And there's your piece. Then taking apart the mechanism, you're just going here, unscrewing those two screws, and that's gonna bring out this guy. Hope that helps.